Hi everyone, how are you doing today? Since it's Mother's Day tomorrow, I thought I'll make a special card for my mom with you, and it is so simple that you guys can just replicate it. So let's start by drawing a simple shape. I thought I'll make a heart shape today. So just make one nice little heart and bring in some color papers and cut all the hearts out. I've got all my hearts in place. I've got red, pink, blue, and yellow. So I'm all set to make this beautiful card. I have cut out 4 hearts of each color and I want you to fold 2 of them in half like this. Take your time in just folding them. You don't have to be perfect here. I'm sure it's going to turn out just beautiful. You need to just put in the effort and your mom is going to love this. I promise. What are you guys planning to do for this Mother's Day? Are you going to bake a cake or cook something special for her or arranging for a surprise since we are under lockdown in many states? I think it would be nice to give her some break, help around the kitchen, and maybe just give her a day off. If you can manage it with your family, you should do that. Okay, moving on, all done with the folding. Now, I want you to stick all the bases that you have. You can cut more hearts if you like. So just arrange them and see how you like it and start pasting them. You can create a different shape that you want to do. Randomly also works just fine. Put just a little glue, don't put too much of glue, otherwise, you're going to have a shiny line outside. I'm just not pressing them down completely. I just want to have a look if I like the way they are looking right now. If I want, I can move them around a bit. So take your time, there's no hurry. See how you like them and just have fun with it. Okay, I think I'm liking the way they are looking. So I'm just gonna press them down gently and clean up the edges or the glue that is coming out. Yeah, all good. Now start putting some glue on the folded side. Don't put too much of glue, otherwise it's going to go all over. Try to align it with the heart which is on the base and carefully stick it down. Don't just push it down all the way, otherwise this 3D shape that we have created will not be visible. Even if you do press it down, just try to fluff it up in the end. It will be fine. Let me know how you guys are enjoying this video. Please comment down below. I would love to hear any comments or any feedback that you guys have for me, or maybe some ideas of what kind of cards that you would like to see, or maybe some crafts that I can make for you. I would love to see even the pictures that you come up with. You can send it to me on my Insta handle, which is crafted forever. You can DM me, I'll definitely message you back. Okay, while we finish this, I want you guys to comment down below and tell me from which state you are and what are your plans for Mother's Day tomorrow or how it went for you guys. I would love to hear all your comments and replies to my video. As far as my plans are, my mom is in Bombay and I live in Bangalore. So this is going to be like a distance Mother's Day for us. I'm just making this card for her and I'll just share a picture with her, hoping that she will like this. I can't do much from here, but trying to make it special. Okay, I think this looks good. My hearts are all done and I'm ready for the next step. So take a blank piece of paper and you can choose a quote which you want to write down, maybe like I love you mom, or forever my friend, or just happy Mother's Day will also do. That's what I'm doing here. Your handwriting doesn't have to be perfect here. Remember, we are doing this for a very special day, and our mothers are really, really special and they love us just the way we are. So, take your time in cutting this. Be very careful with the scissors, kids. I have just taken a white paper. You can do this on a color paper. I want to add some matting to this white color paper to make it pop out a bit. You can choose to do that, or just leave it blank if you like that way. No problem at all. So I'm just sticking it on a red color paper here. Press it down gently. I don't want too much of glue sticking out. I'm gonna cut this down little far away from the white color paper to give it a nice border. Okay, this is a little out of focus, but I'm just cutting it carefully. Just trimming off the extra paper. Just cutting it so that I'm happy with the shape that has come out. Okay, I think this looks good to me. It's all good to go. So align this in the center, just below the last balloon that we have made. Have some space for the strings to show up. This is fine. Let's stick it down. I'm using a marker here. You can use a sketch pen or a pen, whichever, whatever you guys have handy. You don't have to use anything fancy here. Just gonna draw balloon strings. Being careful with the hearts that I have made. I don't want to color over them. Make strings for all the hearts, all the balloons. It doesn't have to be perfect. Again, we just are trying to have some fun with it. I think I want some strings in the bottom as well, so you can add them to give it a finished look. I'm just gonna draw a few here in the bottom. I think that looks good to me. Let me know, guys, if you like this card. I think I love this. I'm gonna start writing a nice message to my mom inside. I hope you do too. If you do end up making this card, please share it with me. I would love to showcase it on my Facebook and my Insta handle. Thank you for watching this today. Please subscribe to my channel for more fun crafts like these. Bye.